Good day, garden lovers. I just brought in 2 plants from our garden today. It was raining outside, so you can see the leaves are a little bit wet. So this is a leafy vegetable, pak choy. Look at how healthy and how big this is. And we also have the chili plant. So this is entering into the flowering phase and it's looking really good and healthy. Now, one of the most important things for you to grow leafy vegetables and fruiting vegetables well is your soil. You must take care of your soil really well. And we spent the last 3 years thinking how we can help gardeners in Singapore strengthen their garden. So after 3 years of hard work, we have developed the Strengthen Garden Kit, your solution to strengthen the soil and plants in your garden. So whether you're having a landed property with a landed garden or growing plants like that in soil, the solution will work for you. So there are 4 things that will help to strengthen your garden. First, we must take care of the soil. And we have developed a product identifying 8 strains of beneficial bacteria and fungi that will thrive better in warm climate. A lot of people don't know your soil can get weaker over time due to not just, even if you put organic fertilizer, the soil can weaken. Why? Because your beneficial microbes in the soil has greatly reduced due to problems either with heat or with the overall balance of your soil. One of the things you need to ensure is there's a good population of microbes. Microbes are basically beneficial fungi and bacteria. There must be a good balance in your soil. And one of the ways you can ensure a good, healthy population of microbes is to use our microbes blend. So we identify 8 strains of beneficial microbes. They are in powder form. All you need to do is just to mix a little bit with water and water into your soil, which I'll show you shortly. It's very easy to apply. Second, you need to make sure that you are putting only good quality organic fertilizer for your plants. And now we have developed a 1 kg bottle which comes with a scoop inside. Very easy to apply. And you don't have to apply a lot per plant. Most of the problems that gardeners face is that they often face pest problems on plants. Especially things like chili, tomatoes, very common to have plants that are weakened. Now, this can be solved long-term, of course, by putting the right organic fertilizer, putting in the soil microbes, but most important in the short term, you need to make sure that the plant gets the necessary nutrients quickly. While applying organic fertilizer is a solution in the long run, in the short run, you need to make sure that the plants absorb the nutrients quickly. And that's why we developed this Plant Nutrient Plus. It's a ready-to-use spray that you can spray onto the leaves. So let me just show you. So just remove the safety catch and make sure this is turned to the spray mode. And if your plants are having some trouble, a little bit weakened, you need to apply this to the leaves easily, on the leaves and under the leaves. This will feed your plants with ready excess nutrients and minerals absorbed through the leaves. And this is actually developed for organic gardening. So whether you want to grow vegetables or fruiting vegetables and your plants are weakened, you can use this to spray. Do you know that there's a lot of compost or vermicompost on the market that are of lower grade quality? Lower grade means they are not produced well or they are not fully composted. Some people, when they buy compost from the garden center and they open up, it smells really bad. It's actually a sign that the composting process wasn't complete. Now we have a 1 liter vermicompost that can easily apply to your potted plants. And in this packet, you will notice holes at the back. This is because the vermicompost will also contain microbes. And the microbes need to be alive, and we need to make sure that there's still some form of air circulation. That's why it's important that we have holes at the back. So when you take it out from the packet, it will look like this. It will smell earthy, and the size of the vermicompost is really fine. This means that the composting process has completed. And you can easily apply this to your soil at the top layer to add organic matter and nutrients to your soil. We only have limited number of the Strengthen Garden Kit. So if you place your order now, you get a discount. So simply click the button around this video to place your order now. For the microbes blend, the microbes will be activated when you mix with dechlorinated water. Just fill your bucket with tap water and leave it overnight for about 24 hours and most of the chlorine will be removed automatically. So what you need to do is follow the instruction of the amount to put in your dechlorinated water. So if you open up this jar, when you open up this jar, it contains a very small scoop inside. This is 1/4 teaspoon. Now, 1/4 teaspoon will be able to mix 30 liters. This is only 10 liters. So, I only need 1/3 of this small little spoon. Scoop over here. I'm going to pour it in. And I'm just going to use a stirrer to stir. So, this will activate the microbes. Okay, so after that, all I need to do is just to scoop this into my watering can. So because I'm now doing a demonstration, I'm using a smaller watering can, but of course you can use a larger one. So now, all you need to do is just to water your plants all around the soil. This will basically start to feed your soil with the soil microbes, and you'll begin to grow and multiply. That's how easy it is. And more important, this 10-liter bucket of soil beneficial microbes will only cost you 20 cents. 20 cents. And you don't have to apply often. Can apply once every 3 to 4 weeks is fine. So 20 cents, I think that's very, very worth it to multiply and keep your plants healthy. So for our organic fertilizer, it's in an easy to use pelleted form. And it also comes with a scoop inside, making it very easy for you to apply. So this is basically 1 teaspoon. Okay? So for a 23 to 25 cm pot, you just need 1 teaspoon, which is just a little bit of this, and you apply to the top of the soil. This will provide a balanced NPK ratio and some other micro elements to your plants in the long run. So all you need to do is just to scatter them around the base of your plant. I'm going to do the same for this plant. So just scoop 1 teaspoon around the base of your plant. We only have limited number of the Strengthened Garden Kit. So if you place your order now, you get a discount. So simply click the button around this video to place your order now.